So you got your NeilMed Sinus Rinse, and you're all ready for allergy season and your colds. So basically get your NeilMed Sinus Rinse. I have distilled water. You can also boil your own water and let that cool down and do it yourself, or you can use a bottled water. Directions are in the book on what you need to use and what you can use. So pretty much fill it all the way to the line. It's simple, pretty much. That's how you do it from there. Once you get it up to the line, make sure it's up there. You can equal more or less, it doesn't matter. Get your packet of the NeilMed Sinus Rinse. They recommend just using their packets, or you can probably make your own, but I would just recommend using theirs. They're not too expensive. This one comes with 50. Pretty much just pour it in there. Tighten the cap on. Give it a little shake. Mix it all in pretty good. And then you are ready to go now. All right. So, lean over the sink, place it in your nostril. You're going to be just shooting straight up. If you're starting off, squeeze it gently because it shoots up real quick. It's like basically like jumping in a pool, if you've ever done that, and it goes in so quick. I'm used to it, so it kind of shoots out my other nose. Sorry for all the disturbance. Pretty much goes in one side, out the other. And that has really cleared up my sinuses. I've been doing it twice daily, kind of once daily, but it's amazing. I've never had anything like this. It's better than my Flonase I was using. This really clears me up. It's like going swimming after, and it's all my sinuses, and it's preventing my sinus infections amazingly, and that's what I really enjoy about it. But from there, it's simple. It takes time to get comfortable. Make sure you're having your mouth open and you're breathing and not holding your breath in. You're going to feel some going in the back of your throat, and that's okay. Just try not to swallow and just clear it out. It sucks in the beginning, but once you get used to it, it's pretty much simple like how it is now. But I struggled in the beginning. It just feels like a whole rush, like jumping in a pool, and it just hits like your whole sinus and nose. That's just the feeling of like you're drowning. But after a while, it's just amazing. Recommend to everybody, and they all love it. So basically, when you're all done, get it all washed up. They recommend liquids like a detergent soap or like baby shampoo. I don't have any at the moment, but I'm just rinsing it for now, giving it a little shake, clearing everything out. And I just put it to the side for now and let it dry, and then reuse it the next day. But it's really simple, highly guaranteed. Like, it's not sponsored or anything. It's really helped a lot. So check it out. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace.